Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. Let's start. First one is the Korean word for balloon, and that is 풍선. 풍선. Next comes the Korean word for guest, and that is 손님. 손님. Now let's see how to say accident in Korean language, and that is 사고. 사고. Next comes the Korean word for pharmacy, and that is 약국. 약국. Now let's see how to say birthday in Korean language, and that is 생일. 생일. Next comes the Korean word for age, and that is 나이. 나이. Now let's see how to say bakery in Korean, and that is 빵집. 빵집. Next comes the Korean word for marriage, and that is 결혼. 결혼. Now let's see how to say candle in Korean language, and that is 양조. 양조. And the last one is the Korean word for painting, and that is 그림. 그림. So today we learned 10 very easy and important Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.